G'day folks, welcome to Steadfast Detailing Sydney. So I'm making an update video and this is actually a 4-month update on the Halo Black Performance Carbon Fiber Spoiler. So let's just have a think about it. Has it lifted at all? If you have a look over here, this spoiler is on here, stuck as well as it has been since day one. It has been absolutely perfect. Now, even the stickers that I've put on here have not been damaged and have not lifted at all. So really, I have zero complaints. So really, this spoiler is in absolutely perfect condition. This spoiler is much better than even the factory performance spoiler, because the performance spoiler from factory, it does tend to lift on the edges, whereas this one has been absolutely perfect. So honestly, if you haven't got this spoiler yet, then what are you doing? Don't bother with those cheap, crappy AliExpress spoilers, the ones that I installed previously, because those ones don't look anywhere near as good and they are definitely not real carbon fiber, even if they say they are. Now, if you're looking for a carbon fiber spoiler and you've just stumbled onto this video, you decided yes, you want to go with Halo Black because this is the best spoiler out there. Now, one thing that I really like about this spoiler is just the design of it. There's this little divot there and no other spoiler has this. It's just a nice little touch to it. And also, we've actually made an installation tutorial video. So if you do end up getting this spoiler and you want to be able to do it yourself, then go check out that video. We'll have it linked here for you. But really, you just can't go wrong. It's a fantastic carbon fiber spoiler. And yeah, it is pricey, but that's why we've been able to hook you guys up with a discount code. So use the discount code STEADFAST10, that's right down there. And that way you get a nice 10% discount off on the Halo Black website. Pretty much at this point, I have no doubts that this spoiler is going to last for over a year, even over 2 years, even 3 years. It's well stuck on there. And there's zero indication that it wants to come off at all. So even if I push down, it's still going to be able to move and shift the entire car. So best spoiler, nothing else beats it. Alrighty, thanks very much for watching this update video. Once again, it's a 4-month update, and like, share, comment, subscribe. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Cheers.